Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your volume without button in Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I'm going to show you the way to adjust our volume without button. So guys, if you want to adjust the volume without button, you can use this assistant menu. This is how the assistant menu looks like. You can get quick access to some features with this assistant menu. And you can customize the menu. And one of the menus is this volume. And we can control the volume here. You can adjust it like this. Just click on this plus icon if you want to increase the volume, and click on this minus icon to decrease it. And you can adjust the media volume and also the ringtone volume. For the ringtone, you can choose sound, vibrate, or mute. I'm going to change it to media. Okay, and just like this, you can control the volume using this assistant menu. And I'm going to show you guys how you can activate this assistant menu. You can go to your setting. Okay, and wait, I'm going to go to the main menu. All right, and here you can scroll down until you find the accessibility setting, this one, and go to the interaction and dexterity. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this assistant menu, and here you will be able to activate your assistant menu, and mine is already on. And if you want to customize the menu, you can click on this menu and make sure that you add volume. So the volume menu can appear on your assistant menu. Then you can control the volume without using button. Okay, make sure that you add this volume menu. Okay, and I'm going to go back. And you can also control the volume using the quick setting panel, and you can control the volume right here. Okay, just go to the quick setting panel and control it like this. Yeah, that's so simple. So you can use either the assistant menu or the quick setting panel to control your volume. Okay guys, and that's how we can adjust the volume without the button in Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.